So you better watch out, and you better not cry, and you better not pout, and I'm a-telling you why.
With Christmas just 1 week away, we're on the hunt for some last-minute gift ideas.
And Angela Kelly joins us live from Barnes & Noble in Grand Chute. Hi, Ange.
Good morning, Doug and Rachel. That's right. As we look for last-minute gift ideas here at Barnes & Noble in Grand Chute, I stumbled upon this little guy. And Jennifer is here to explain what this last-minute gift idea is about.
This is the elf on the shelf, and it is an older tradition that is coming back, makes a great gift. What he is he is a tiny elf that you set in any part of your house, and he watches over the kids, makes sure that they behave, and reports back to Santa if they don't. It's a fantastic way to give the kids that added incentive to behave while you get ready for the holiday.
And maybe something for adults. I love this idea. Talk about this.
This is fantastic. You can give the gift of a subscription to a magazine without having to worry that you make the right choice of magazine. It gives your recipient 40 different magazines to choose from. All they do, pick the magazine, send in their gift card, and they've gotten the subscription from you.
Fantastic. From Field and Stream to People. Something for everybody.
Exactly.
And gadget guides. These are great.
Pet guides, along with the electronics that you're getting them this year, get them that little added manual. Helps them work out the kinks, understand their programs.
The iPhone, for example. You know, that's a good one.
Fantastic. The Google phone. And then for the sports fan, we have gorgeous Sports Illustrated Edition books, football, golf, and an audiobook. Michael Crichton's newest posthumous release, Pirate Latitudes.
For somebody who travels a lot, maybe drives to work, you know. And everything on this table, Jennifer, is under $30.
Under $30, yes.
Okay, let's move over here. We all know the Twilight series was huge this year. People may already have the books, but not the puzzles and other accessories.
Exactly. And New Moon has just exploded in the box office. The puzzles and the board game, the illustrated movie companion, all of these are under $20. They make a great gift for the girl who might have forgotten about Edward and is on to Jacob. And for the adult vampire lover, we have the box set of the Sookie Stackhouse books. These are the basis for the HBO series True Blood. Fantastic.
My favorite are these because they have this whole section of like kits, and I swear you can find something for everybody. Shadow theater, making high-flying paper airplanes.
The hot stone massage is my favorite.
Yeah, that would be great for like mom or your best friend or something. And these are these like $20 and under?
Under $20.
Yeah.
Exactly. And even better, we have leather-bound, gold-edged editions of classic books from Lewis Carroll to Jane Austen. Again, under $20.
A lot of great gift ideas.
Really fantastic.
Thanks so much, Jennifer. Well, coming up, we're headed to Shields Sporting Goods right down the road here in Grand Chute. And we're going to find some great gift ideas for the athlete in your life, okay?
Sounds great. Thanks, Ange.
Thanks.